doing? What are you doing? You're so sweet. Come on, let's go potty. And I'm house trained. And I'm so cute and I'm very smart. Come on, Leo, you gonna go potty for me? You're a good boy. You are a good boy. You're so excited. You just love to be pet, huh? Yes, you do. Come on. Come on, let's go. You go outside and go play? You're very, very good with other dogs. Huh, yes you are. Hi, Leo. Hi, Pumpkin. Come on, let's go potty. Leo. Hi, Leo. Bless you. Hi, Leo. Hi. Put your ears up. You're cute with your ears up. Put your ears up. Oh, stretch, stretch. Leo. Leo, there you go. There you go. Put your ears up.